Hello, welcome to Family Furniture. My name's Lori. I see you found our chairs. So let me tell you about them. This one here is like my favorite. The way it swivels, it's soft, it's comfortable. Hey, you know what? Why don't you go ahead and try and sit down? But I would definitely stay away from this chair because that white, it just kind of gets dirty. We might have the black in stock, but I'm not sure. And then this one over there is on sale. You can take a look and see what you think. So, which one would you like today?
I think I'm good. I'm all set for now.
Sure.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello. Do you need some help today?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Family Furniture. My name is Lori. How can I help you today?
Well, I'm looking for a new chair, but I don't know quite what I need yet.
All right, well, you found the chair section. You're in the right place. I'll be back by the tables if you need anything.
Okay, thank you.